have the Miniso Hi-Fi high-class metallic earphones. As you can see, it is written in the back. So yep, let's just unbox this. So quite a nice presentation. Here we have the high class metallic earphones, as Miniso like to call it. So you get a carrying case, as you can see, Miniso. Let's just open this first. Yeah, you get different size ear tips for small and large, and I guess yeah, the medium one is already like on the headphones. And this is a hard shell case for protecting for protection of your earbuds. Let's just take these out of the box. Let me just alright, so here we have the earphones themselves. As you can see, Miniso branded ear hole or ear cap, fully metallic body, in-ear style earphones. Let's just see the remote. Yep, inline microphone, play pause and volume slider. Interesting. Not keys but slider. Alright. And at the end we have this 3.5 mm headphone jack. So let's just test these. So here I have my Galaxy S7. Let's just play Jenna Solo. Actually, these have a flat cable. Some of those who like flat cable. So for those of you, yep, this have a flat cable. So yep, let me just test these, and then at the end I will give you the review. Okay, I'm just going to test these. So yeah guys, I'm back, and damn, these earphones are, I didn't expect like these to go that well, as like according to their price, this cost me around 800 rupees, and the sound quality on these is just awesome. Let me just give you a demo. Hear this. As you guys hear, these earphones are on another level. Like for this budget price, I just recommend you guys buy these. You can also find, like, if your budget is a little more, you can also get the Miniso Hi-Fi, like these earphones which I just reviewed. But if you want like a fully metal body, and like if you're a fan of extra bass and like super clear sound quality and this flat cable, go ahead and buy these. I highly recommend these. These are so damn awesome. Like, they do not sound like like you cannot imagine like the sound quality on these. I don't know if it is like only me, but you can, like, if you don't believe me, you can just test these before like buying. Like in the Miniso have like that test section of like these earphones, like where they have like uh hang them like on a hook, so you can like test these before you buy these. So yeah, this was my unboxing and review of Miniso earphones, and yep, thanks for watching. Subscribe, turn the notification on, like and share, and yep, adios, peace.